My name's Brent. I live here in Garden Grove. I've been here for almost 17 years now. And I've recently invested with Semper Solaris for a brand new roof and solar panels. My big decision to go for solar was, the power companies are always asking for increases, which they're going to get over the next few years. So for me, it just made sense. You're leveraging your future electrical costs now. Semper Solaris was actually the last bid I got. I was interested in them because, I'm a big supporter of the vets, and they've been in business for a while. So that's what I'm looking for, somebody that's here that I can get a hold of should I need to. Their salesman was really easy to work with. He was very knowledgeable. He could answer the questions that I had. He walked me through their company process and what materials they were going to use and what kind of timeline. Their guarantees were, as good as it gets. They were here on time. They were here when they said they were going to be here. When they did the tear off, their guys did they had the roof gone in one day. They were very clean, had everything perfect. Semper Solaris was really easy to work with. One of the easiest companies I've ever dealt with. They got knowledgeable people. They do it properly, exactly how it was supposed to be done. I would definitely recommend Semper Solaris, and I actually already have to a couple friends. And I wouldn't do that if I didn't believe in them. I work hard for my money, and I don't like giving it away. You get what you pay for. In the end, it's going to save me a lot of money. That's the bottom line.